Hi there, welcome back to Lens Through Africa. I'm Rahul and today you join me in my front yard. I'm shooting this video in my front yard because I recently took delivery of some new equipment which I'm very excited to share with you guys. It's definitely going to help the channel progress, and it's something that I really need out on safari. With this video, I think it's probably one of my first times starting a video or doing a video on the channel, not actually on location, out in the bush or anywhere that I'm supposed to be going. There's always a first time for everything. Excited to unbox my new Dji Osmo Mobile SE. A little bit too much plastic for my liking, but possibly necessary in keeping the goods quite safe. Hi puppy. That's Kyra. The other one's hi baby, hi baby. Okay, go that side. Good girl. The other one's exploring the other side of the yard. That's what the Osmo Mobile SE looks like. There you go. Alright, so let's open this up. Now, a good point to always try and do is when opening electrical stuff like this, tech, gadgets, all of that stuff, always try not to damage the box. Obviously the plastic wrapping is mandatory to sort of cut open and destroy, but yeah, always try to keep the box unharmed and looking as good as new, so that one day, should you decide to sell it, it coming in its original packaging will obviously work to get you a little bit of a better price. So how do you do this? Alright, there we go. There's a little tab that says open, and there is another sticker over that. Okay. Alright, just like that. One, it's a little flat thingy, and oh, awesome. Let's see what's inside this little thing. It is a gorgeous day out here in Johannesburg. It is very hot here. It's just started to rain, but don't worry, I'm under quite a big tree, so I should be dry for now. Obviously the gel packaging to absorb any moisture, and your Dji Osmo carry case. Pretty cool. Let's put that away. What else is inside here? Quick start guide and the code, or the QR code for the Dji app. Right, nothing else inside this. Put that away for now. Right. Whoopsies, that fell on the floor. Was not intended to have that happen. Right. And your little tripod or extra grip or whatever you want to use it for. If you know anything about me personally, I am very OCD about all of my equipment. I've had some of my equipment for quite a few years now, and I always keep it in the original casing. Even my camera gimbal stays in its original box with the original packaging. So I'm definitely going to keep these on hand so that I can, when I'm not using it regularly. There's the other boy. Hi Papa, come say hi. He's on his own mission. Yeah, so that's what it looks like with the little 3 legs, so that you can position your mobile gimbal on the floor or maybe use it as an extra grip. Yeah, feels like quite good quality, strong plastic. Alright, little phone holder. This stretches to probably any type of phone, modern day phone. There's a nice little rubber grip on the inside so that your phone doesn't slip out. Sorry, my neighbor's coming out. Yeah, and a magnet to attach straight onto your gimbal. USB to C-type, USB to USB-C, C-type charger to keep your gimbal charged. Oh, the magnet mistakenly latched onto the part that it's supposed to be attaching to when switching on your gimbal or when making use of your gimbal. Sorry about the noise, but yeah, where we left off last time, this is the actual gimbal. The big boy is rolling in the mud, rolling in the sand, enjoying his time in the grass. Alright, yeah, we'll try and do this as gently as possible. Open the case nicely. Hi, Baba. Right, the plastic is still somewhat in good condition. Can possibly close that up a little bit later. And there we go. There is the actual gimbal itself. Just clips open and voila. Awesome. Right, let's put that down for now. Let's get our battery, let's get our extra grip or our little tripod thingy. Hi baby, hi. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, and that's what it looks like with the extra grip on. And obviously can be used as a little tripod. Alright, open that up. Little hack with the Osmo Mobile. You can actually see there's a little engraving saying OM on the inside. So that, always make sure that that's facing the right way. Clip your phone in with the camera facing out. There we go. It's got a nice strong grip. Attach that to the actual gimbal. Just line up the DJI logos and here we go. Alright. So let's see, how do you switch this on? Mode button, maybe? There we go. Press and hold the mode button and the gimbal is on. That's pretty cool. Alright. There we go. Pretty stable. From my experience using an older Osmo Mobile, I think it was an Osmo Mobile 3 or 4, still have to get used to some of these buttons, but yeah, I will play around with it and show you guys some of the footage. I'm actually doing a video on the Monte Casino bird garden sometime soon, so I will definitely make use of this. And you will definitely see the smooth footage that comes as a result of using the Osmo Mobile SE. Alright, so let's try this. Tap this button or double tap and we go to landscape. That's pretty cool. Back to portrait. This is my first time unboxing this, as you've seen, and I still have to connect to the phone and all of that stuff to get. Hi. Some of the birds just came to say hi, to get the full functionality of the gimbal as intended. So I'll definitely add that into the video after playing around with it for a bit. But yeah, that's the gimbal itself. Let's switch it off to save some battery. Go, the phone goes off and you just clip off your phone and there we go. Put it back in the box for now.
Whenever they're closer, don't touch them, because it's for their safety and also your safety. You might lose your finger. Guys, has anyone ever received the compliment? Somebody saying you are as wise as an owl. Wise as an owl.
And that's it. So pretty excited to start using this out in the bush. It's definitely going to help a lot, especially when I'm out on, doing a game drive with a safari vehicle. As you would have seen in previous footage, it is quite shaky, and to be using my camera gimbal, it's really not reasonable, and it's very big and very large and very clunky. So I'm really excited to do a safari with this and see how that improves the footage, so that I can actually start taking clips with my phone instead of hand holding the camera, which can also get quite shaky. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more epic content. Cheers.